Good morning. Today is Thursday, October the 11th, 2018. It's about 8:16 in the morning. And we've got rain now from Tropical Storm Michael. Rained all night again. I think that the rain's supposed to stop here around somewhere between 1 and 3. But right now we got flash flood warnings. But it did rain hard earlier. I had to turn the light on. It's 66 degrees this morning. Larry has the garbage. He's going to drop me off at stretcher size. We're on our way down to stretcher size. Water running down the street. Water running out there on the golf course.
Good thing the wind ain't blowing. Drink down here.
Water on the road. Fishing pond and
There'll be fish on the walking path there.
oh, it's way out over the path.
Everybody says that they've seen more water up here this year than they have in a long time.
I see one car, but I'm not sure if that's a stretcher-sized person or not. There's a lake. I think it's very full. It's water there running across the parking lot. We're just going to wait here and see if anybody shows up. There's no lights on in the building yet. Well, we waited and nobody came, so now I'm going to the middle of Larry. I guess canceled because of hurricane. We got down here to the bridge. Oh, there's the river. Probably not good to stop on the bridge. Windmill River, a lot of water. I forgot to say my burnt looking brownies weren't really burnt and they tasted good. There's a house that used to be a church. Pond this morning is full. I didn't get to go to church last night. I can't see to drive in the dark when it's raining. We're going to Hardee's this morning. Ooh, look through there. Way out of bounds.
There's the ducks right there.
Where's the ducks?
See them up there?
No, I don't see them. There's the ducks. They're over in the shallow.
Getting that green grass in there. Oh my goodness.
Well, I would say the Toe River is out of its banks.
I think a little bit. Boy.
I gotta
What do you think?
think that little creek turned into a river.
Where's the... Boy. That's pretty bad, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Roped off up there to keep you going over there. Oh, it's coming down here. That's not even where the river's at. The river's on the other side of the parking lot. Right there behind the building's all flooded. This is now near the garden. There's more of the Toe River.
Boy. Isn't that something?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I can see the spinach.
Yeah, it looks like it's growing.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
We'll be able to pick some tomorrow, maybe.
Done before, good thing they did before all this.
Mm-hmm. Nobody working today. Looks like they got slab floors out there for a building and a pool on the other side. This is where Larry ate his apple fritter yesterday.
Beer swamp.
Water's up even higher closer to the bridge. It's swift.
It's easy to see why people can get swept away, then.
Mm-hmm. There's still people at the senior center. Wow. Well, they got water going across the road. Can't get to their house.
Well, look at it coming down the steps here at the church.
Got a waterfall there on those church steps. Come down off the hill. We're getting wind now. I'm filming this through the window screen, so it might not be as clear as it could be. We finally got some sunshine today. Wind's still been blowing. It said on the news that we had winds of about 50 miles an hour. I believe it because it's been blowing hard. You know, just in gusts and the wind bands when they go through. I did 3 loads of laundry. Talked to my son David on FaceTime. The closing on the house is supposed to be tomorrow, so I arranged for him to pick up the keys for me. Yep. Having chili today. Lunch and supper. Well, we've been packing up all of our clothes to go home. I don't think we're going to go till Sunday. But we got a lot of summer stuff to take back. And I got my suitcase down there. Got all the laundry done, and Larry washed the dishes and I dried them. So I guess all that's left to say is good night. God bless.